Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Blossomdance tickets in Monster Hunter Wilds. These special tickets are seasonal event items, crucial for crafting unique gear. You'll primarily acquire them during the limited-time Blossomdance Festival, which typically runs for about 2 weeks. Understanding how to efficiently gather these tickets will help you maximize your rewards and enhance your hunter's capabilities. Earning Blossomdance tickets involves a few key methods. First, simply logging in each day during the festival will grant you bonus tickets. Second, make sure to complete your daily limited bounties, as these consistently reward you with tickets. For an extra edge, equip at least 2 pieces of the Saccurate'd armor set. This significantly boosts your chances of receiving tickets from regular quests. Finally, certain event quests also offer these tickets as rewards. Once you've gathered your Blossomdance tickets, you can use them to craft exclusive gear. You'll need 10 tickets for the full Saccurate'd Alpha Hunter armor set and 2 tickets for the Feline Papier Mache Alpha Palico armor. Beyond armor, these tickets can also be exchanged at the canteen for special Blossomdance meals. Remember, there are also Blossomdance catalog tickets from specific event quests, used for unique headgear like the sealed eye patch. To maximize your ticket collection, always prioritize your daily logins and limited bounties. When hunting, ensure you wear at least 2 pieces of the Saccurate'd armor from the very beginning of the quest to benefit from increased ticket drops. Focus on event quests known to reward Blossomdance tickets, as these are often the most efficient. The festival usually runs for about 2 weeks, so plan your hunting schedule to gather all the items you desire before it concludes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.